Haha.
Guys, it's so clear out here. Look at this. I don't know if you guys could tell, but there's tons of bait fish jumping in the water right there. Something big chasing after him too. Ooh, there's another splash. Alright, I made the executive decision to paddle in and sit on the inside. There's some little runners that are coming through left and right, and it's just a little too mushy out there. There's some swell filling in, kinda, but I don't know. The inside's a little bit more punchy. So tired though. Woo! Oh, here comes the nipple rash. And the back of the armpit rash. Woo! Just gonna chill over here. So clear though. Holy crap! Look at this. Trying not to cuss. But it's super clear. Water feels like it's like Tahiti or something. And if you guys are wondering what board I'm on, this is the fuck-a-fish. Excuse my language, but that's actually what it's called. It's a quad. I think it's a 5.6. It's like 30 something liters, and it's super fast. I got the keels on it. Oh, it's cool. Tons of bait jumping in the water over there. Guys, I've seen tons of boils, like fish just coming up and just smashing the bait fish on the top of the water. I think the water's warmed up a ton and the fish are hungry. So if you're gonna go fishing, this is the time to do it. See all that bait fish in the water?
Yeah, I did. They were scared of something, weren't they?
Yeah, something's chasing them.
Hopefully just a bass.
Yeah, right? There was a moment out here I was like alone.
Yeah.
You always start
you
to
wish for that and then you get it.
Right? I think it's just bass just chasing them.
Yeah.
I saw some big splashes though, but that's not anything serious.
Yeah.
There's some little ones here and there.
I was walking down the steps and there was like that last little high-tide push and I was like, oh, cool.
Yeah, it was kind of hard to get around the rocks, huh?
Oh, wasn't it? It's like a little flurry when you're trying to, especially when you're trying to come around.
Yeah, I always think about
waves come.
And stingrays. I'm just thinking about stingrays.
Oh yeah, that's where I got hit about a year ago.
No.
Yeah, I got hit the first time in my life. Just like you kind of forget to shuffle your feet, shooting out, and then the seagrass about to like zap across the back of the ankle. And I was just like, oh, it felt like a razor blade, you know?
Yeah.
And then I was like, I surfed, got about 3 waves, and I'm like, oh shit, I think I better cruise home. Walked back to my buddy's house up on San Diego. By then I was just about, like, I would have been in tears, man. I was just like, if my dudes weren't there, I would have been like crying. Oh, here you
I
go.
know. Oh no, this is yours, bro. It's so warm right now.
It's so warm. It's just, I feel like a dummy.
I got in here at like 7 and I was like, fine.
Oh yeah. As long as you don't sit for too long.
Yeah.
Yesterday the sun didn't really come out until later.
No, but it's a little lowly, but when the sets come, they kind of push all the way in, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I surfed swamis with the guys yesterday.
Yeah.
Paddled over here. Whatever. Got a few. It was a nice enough day, right?
Right.
Yeah, the sun.
You just gotta be in the water, I feel like.
Yeah, just go.
Oh, all right. We got short boarders, suppers. That dude's on a foil. Everybody's out here, all having fun, just enjoying the summer swell. Here, ducky, ducky, ducky. Here, ducky, 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 ducky. Where's this duck? Oh, there you are. See any waves on the horizon?
Maybe. And it looks like it's trying again.
So guys, this is kelp, for those of you who don't know. It's pretty much like an underwater tree. This is its roots. This is what it uses to latch onto the reef or the rocks, whatever is down there. And then how it works is it grows little, tiny little air bubbles, little air pockets that float up. So it allows it to photosynthesize. Sorry, I can't say that word. Allows it to photosynthesize and get its nutrients from the sun. So it'll latch onto the bottom and grow up all the way to where the sunlight reaches. Alright, so I made the mistake of saying one more wave. And of course, it lulls out for like half an hour. Just need one wave. Just one.